Hello there, welcome to today's Trackash tutorial. On this session, I'll be showing you how to match a transaction to a tenant, that is receive money from a tenant, and how to also issue receipt to a tenant. In the last tutorial, I showed you how to raise an offer and accept an offer for a tenant. We'll be using that same offer that was accepted to also facilitate this particular tutorial. Now we already have the suit details open as of the last time, and you can now see that these fields have been populated with relevant information as it applies. Now I'll go to view tenant details. You can also see the tenant has an account balance of this. You can see that his tenancy period has started, but the money has not been recorded. To record the money, what we'll do is to click on the Trackash tab and head over to manage transactions. In the manage transactions, you can see we have credit, debit, and bank linking, but for the sake of this tutorial, we will only be looking at credits. We have the manual match, and we also have the matching that has to do with the integration we have with our external APIs, where you can see all your bank statements, and then you can match directly from your bank statement. But in the absence of a linked bank account, we're going to match this manually. So click on manual match. We'll go to FTech Limited. We select this, and let's select a date. Let's put today's date. Let's say Access Bank, Goldstone, and let's put the amount. Oops, I can't remember the amount. Let me check. Taking some time to load, and let's see what the total amount for this is. Okay, 3649. So I'll just copy that. Come back here and I'll enter the amount to match. I think I can close this now. Alright, so the expectation is once this is matched, a couple of things happen, and I'd love to explain that. The first thing that happens is that the system takes this amount and goes to the invoices for this particular tenant and credits that invoice and say, okay, payments have been made for each of the items on this invoice. Once that has been done, this tenant account or customer's account is credited with this amount. Additionally, accounting is done on your books. Those are the things that happen when this payment is matched. And if the payment at the end of the day that is being made tallies with what he has overall outstanding in his invoice, you will now see that that particular invoice will be marked as paid. But if it is not, it will not be marked as paid. Alright, for the sake of this tutorial, we want to see that this has been paid for. So click on match transaction. Give you some time. So whilst that is working, just let's wait for the notification upon completion. So manual credit transaction matched successfully. To validate that, let's view the tenant account. Goldstone O. Okay. Let's view the details of this tenant. Alright. As you can see, it's now paid and his account balance is now 0 for this particular invoice. So if you want to renew this tenant for another year, this is the button you click, but this is outside the scope of this particular tutorial. Thank you for joining me, and see you next time. Bye bye.